Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Patil. I am studying MMS in SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. In this video, I am going to talk on topic Factories Act 1948 in subject labor laws and implication of industry relation. So let's start. Let's start with introduction. The Factories Act of 1948 was intended to protect the welfare of workers in a factory by regulating employment condition, working condition, the working environment, and other welfare requirements of specific industries. Factories Act 1948. The important features of the Factories Act 1948 are as follows. The word factory has been expanded by the Factories Amendment Act of 1976 to include contract labor when determining whether a factory has a maximum of 10 or 20 employees. The act increased the minimum age of children to work to workplace from 12 to 14 and reduced their daily working hours from 5 to 4.5. The act forbids women and children from working in factories from 7 p.m. to 6 am. The difference between a seasonal and non-seasonal factories has been abolished by the act. The act, which was provisions for factory regulation and licensing. The state government is required to make sure that all factories are registered and also have valid license that are renewed from time to time. The Act gives state government authority to enact rules and regulations that ask for management and employees association for the benefit of employees. The state government has the authority to apply the Act requirement to any establishment regardless of the number of employees inside and regardless of whether the establishment engage in manufacturing operation. Objective of Factories Act 1948. The important objective of the 1948 Act are as follows. First is health. According to the Act, all factories must be kept clean and all essential safeguards must be taken to safeguard the health of workers. The factory must have sufficient draining system, adequate lighting, ventilation, temperature, etc. Then must be clean water supplies. Separate restrooms and urinal must be built in convenient location for male and female. This must be freely accessible to employees and kept clean. Then second is safety. The act requires that machine be properly fenced, that no young adults work on any dangerous machine in enclosed places, and also that appropriate manholes be provided so that employees may accept in an emergency. The third one is welfare. The act specifies that appropriate the suitable washing facilities for workers must be provided and maintained in every factory. There must be storage and drying facilities as well as sitting areas, first aid equipment, shelter, restroom, and lunchroom. Application of Factories Act 1948. The important application of the Act 1948 are as follows. The Act also applies to the whole country of India, including Jammu and Kashmir, and cover all manufacturing processes and premises that fall under the definition of factory as defined in Section 2M of the Act. It also applies to factories owned by the central or state governments and defined in Section 116 of the Act. The Act is applied and limited to factories that use power and employ 10 or more people on any working day in the preceding 12 months. The Act is applied and limited to factories that do not use power and employ 20 or more people on any working day in the preceding 12 months. The act is also covered under Section 85 of the Factories Act by the state government and union territory. So there is some things from the Factories Act 1948. Thank you.